Hi Flowers, Victoria here. I just thought I'd record a video rather than send you an email because I kind of wanted it to be a bit spontaneous and from the heart and hopefully flowing, but you never know. Thank you so much for having the sense of fun and curiosity to join me in this experiment. Truly is an experiment. I think I said in my last email, this isn't only an experiment, this is my trial experiment, so you're kind of double guinea pigs. And I'm excited about it and I'm looking forward to it, but I'm quite nervous, because what is in my heart and the idea of this is to be massively letting go of a lot of, not even beliefs, it's beyond that. We've all heard about letting go of our beliefs, etc., even if it's not replacing them. We've heard about letting go of them. And I want to go a bit further. I want to jump off the cliff. And I want to take you with me. Holding hands and in faith. And let go of stuff that we thought we didn't need to let go, that wasn't there to let go of. Some very small examples of things like letting go of things having to happen at a certain time or be a certain way when it's always been that way. For me, things like structuring this program is an obvious example. When do I do it? Do I set times? If the feeling isn't right at the time that I've set it, do I then carry on? Would I be letting you down? Would that be my thinking of letting you down and my fear of what you would then think of me, etc., etc.? You can see where I'm going with this. Some of the key topics are time, are money. I think those are the two humdingers for most of our lives. Love as perceived as a human conditional sentiment, and I want to be exploring love a lot more as an organic, whole, unconditional energy that's here constantly and never changes. And our use of the language love and our use of the language trust. I noticed the other day when I posted something on Facebook, a friend of mine who's splitting up from her husband was kind of a bit dubious about my use of the word trust, and I understand, but I think we think so egoically, not egotistically, egoically about these words love and trust as it pertains to our personal feelings and taking things personally, but trusting life with a capital L, which is trusting flow for me, trusting love to take charge if we allow it, is the bigger picture that I want to explore with you. So what do I want to explore with you? What do I want to explore together with you? Because this isn't me leading from above. This is very much a hand-in-hand exploration, and I'll just be a guide for what it's worth. I want to explore what's possible for us humans in this physical world, in this modern world, in this contemporary world, and in a very busy, hectic world full of information. And that too is something that I want to see if we can let go of a little bit. And I'm just going to let go of something a little bit with you now here, which is the convention of telling people certain things, because I've been in a little bit of fear about being able to honour my obligation to you on Wednesday. I'm currently 10 weeks pregnant, and apparently I shouldn't be telling anyone at the moment, but it's what's that? That's a fear. That's a fear that something might go wrong, and I'm a little bit better about not living in fear right now. I'm not there yet in love all the time, but that duality, that polarity rather, of love and fear, I'm hoping that I'm heading towards the love polar more than the love pole, rather than the fear pole more. But I was fearful about telling you because I didn't want it to sound like an excuse either, but I'm very sick and very tired most of the time in this first trimester, and I didn't want to get to Wednesday night and not honour what I'd promised to you for that Zoom meeting. So I was going to cancel it, and Damien said to me, you don't know, you might be feeling great on Wednesday night. And I thought, I'm going to decide on the night. I'm going to take on the chin any feelings that you might have of negativity towards me, which I would understand. And I'll be doing it with love for myself as well as for you. I want to give my best to you and to this experiment too. So, massive experiment. Let's see if Wednesday the 8th happens, I hope that you can hold in faith that it will, and that if it doesn't, it's for the highest good of all of us. And thank you again for joining me, and let's see what unfolds. Lots of love to you all. Bye-bye.